The scandal isn't just a corporate misstep. It's a hard lesson for India's startup and EV ecosystem. With 262 crore allegedly impacted, and the story exposes cracks in governance and trust. Let's break down how an EV trailblazer spiraled into crisis and what's next. I'm Shuli Das. The popular EV cab fleet once symbolized India's clean mobility future. Now it stands at the center of one of the country's biggest startup controversies. In April 2025, SEBI uncovered that one of the EV companies, I wouldn't like to name them, alongside parent engineering company, misused 2,262 crore rupees from public loan meant to procure 6,400 electric vehicles. Instead, only 4,704 EVs were brought, with large chunks of funds allegedly diverted by promoters of the company for luxury property, personal indulgences, and related party transactions. The governance lapses ran deep. SEBI cited forged documents, inflated stock prices, and misappropriation through shell firms. As financial strain mounted, BlueSmart suspended services in key cities. A $50 million fundraising attempt collapsed, and senior leaders, including the CEO, exited. SEBI has barred the brothers of the EV company from management and initiated a forensic audit of the company. In response, EV cab fleet now plans to pivot from ride hailing to becoming an EV fleet supplier for Uber, while our partner company scrambles to raise almost 600 crore to rebuild credibility. For customers, drivers, and investors, this is more than a financial scandal. It's a cautionary tale on why strong governance, ethical leadership, and transparency matters deeply in India's evolving startup ecosystem. Now, the ride-hailing fleet controversy tells you the fallout and the lessons learned are 262 crore misused money for luxuries, fake documents, inflated stocks. One of the reasons, services suspended, CEO quits, SEBI bans owners, the brother duo pivot to EV fleet supply, 550 crore public lender, and the EV cab fleet rise and fall is a reminder. Without the ethics and oversight, even visionary startup can collapse. What does this mean for India's EV startup future? I would love to hear your views. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Drop your thoughts or similar cautionary tales in the comments. Let's discuss.